Okay, got the full box of Chop Chop. Got the Seagy. Got the Seagies. And we've got a good big mix of green clover. Today, with Jedi's drive over Rafik, Jedi first we went to St Kilda in the car at about 12 o'clock. Then we went to Glen Huntly and picked up Jace on the train at Glen Huntly station. And with my driver. To Glen Huntly station and picked up Jace. Went and met up with Jace's friend in the city and picked up $150 worth of green clover. Jace bought $100 and sold Jedi $35 or $30 worth. And Jedi got 2 mixes, 2 grams for $35. And Jace got 7 grams for $140 or something like that, $130. ABC 24 playing on the TV. Good old night sky outside watching. Good old night sky. Nick's goddess of the night watching. Sunday chill in effect. Sunday afternoon. Nice blue skies today. People were out. All cool. All cool.